Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. This is CutiePie88 and we are here with a quick LuvMe hair install. So let's go ahead and take a look at this box. Of course, they do include a bag to store the wig in for safekeeping after wearing it. And let's go ahead and grab this unit. So this is a shorter unit. Y'all know I love hair, but this is like a 14 to 16 inch highlighted wig. It is pre-curled. It does have HD, real HD lace, undetectable, uninvisible, and the parting space is 5 by 5. It does also come lightly pre-bleached, which is wonderful, and you don't have to do much styling to this wig if you don't want to. It does come with a total of 4 combs, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back, and a removable elastic band. Also, adjustable straps. Before I get into it, I just wanted to point out one con that I noticed with this wig straight out of the box is that the hairs around the top were very short, unfortunately. It seemed to be the highlighted blonde pieces. I don't know if you can tell, it just kind of looks like they're long, but they were quite short at the top where the closure was. If you can see right here, in real life they were really short, and of course that's going to make more flyaways and harder for it to lay down, but it's okay. That was literally the only con with this unit. So let's go ahead and unbox the rest of the things it came with. A pair of earrings, a band to lay like a laying band. Really good quality, I enjoyed that. And it also came with a edge brush. So look at these bouncy curls. LuvMe hair always gives 10 out of 10 hair, hands down. I will confidently say that they have some of the best feeling and most luxurious hair out there when it comes to big companies. So let's go ahead and throw this unit on my head and see what it's looking like. So like I said before, this lace is totally undetectable, which I love, but I don't like this chunky highlight in the front. I'm not a blonde girl at all. I don't like highlights, don't like blonde hair. I like to stick to my dark hair. So these chunky highlights in the front were kind of a little new for me, but however, if you're into the highlights, I think it's very gorgeous and they did a great job highlighting the hair. I just wish it wasn't so blunt in the front. But let's go ahead and zoom into this lace. Like, it is lightly pre-plucked. You don't have to do much. I would pluck this way more personally, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks out of the box, and you really don't have to pluck if you don't want to. So I'm using the Fit Me color number 355 to just kind of darken the lace just a little bit. And let's go ahead and pop this back on my head. I did lightly pluck this unit while it was on my head just to give it just a little bit more, you can see my skin a little bit more through the front. It didn't do much, but I just wanted to pluck it just a little bit more. This is how much I plucked. It was very little. As you can see, it still looks great. Like, you can just throw this on your head and you can definitely rock this glueless. So let's go ahead and cut the lace off. I do like to cut in a zigzag pattern, and I do like to cut the lace off before I lay the wig. But can we stop and show how this lace literally disappears on my skin? It is crazy. LuvMe does have some of the best HD lace. So I'm kind of getting a feel for the unit, see what I want to do with it, play with it. It does come pre-curled, And this hair is so silky and shiny. Like, I feel like it doesn't even need any moisture, like anything, any product. It is so silky smooth. So I'm thinking about like cutting some layers in the front just so it's not so long, just so it's like face framing a little bit. But these curls are pretty tight, so I'm wondering if it's going to take a lot to press them out, or if the hair is too silky that it may not curl well. We'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and do some face framing layers. Really, really quick, easy slide cut method. Super easy and quick. So as I'm curling, I am noticing that this hair is so silky straight that it's not curling super, super well, but literally it's not a bad thing. When hair is silky smooth like this, it glides through your flat iron. It's so beautiful. This hair is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. It's smooth like butter, and I love that. When it just comes to curling, it may not hold a curl without hairspray, but if you're wearing like a silky straight style, you're going to love this hair. But this one, as I'm pressing it, it's not holding the curl too well. I did decide to cut into the front to make it more look like a bob, but I had to curl it several times and it just wasn't curling in the direction that I wanted it. It was kind of doing its own thing. So I was like, okay, let me do this messy bob look, which is what I wanted to achieve, but it's going to be a little bit messier than I, was thinking at the beginning. Trying to curl it in different directions. I think because it was pre-curled, it was kind of like stuck in that pattern, but now I'm trying to move it from that pattern. It's kind of going everywhere, but it's okay. I'm going to cut this side like I did the other side and just continue to play with it and see how it looks at the end. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so now that it's applied, I did use the LuvMe foundation stick and also color 355. Just widen this part, make it look more realistic. It's okay if you see your cap through, it's fine. I do not do the ball cap method with my units. But yeah, laid down very nicely, and the lace look at my daughter. The lace disappeared on my skin. So let's go ahead and just take down some baby hairs and continue to style this unit. Okay, y'all, so the edge control wasn't working as it normally doesn't. So let's go ahead and take some Eben Wonder lace bond, spray it on the brush, and let's go ahead and lay these down. Make sure you curl the baby hair first. That makes it so much easier just to curl it upwards. It just gives you that C curl better. As you can see, I didn't curl it here and it's giving me some trouble, but I eventually got it. So let's go ahead. This wig really does not need this step. Everything that I'm doing is extra. You don't have to do this. You can wear this glueless. You don't have to do baby hair. You don't have to pluck. You don't have to do this part. It's just for me because I did have somewhere to go. But yeah, I just wanted to look extra laid today. So I just pushed the hair back with my hot comb and just gave it that super sleek pushback look.
Perfect.
I decided to go in one more time and try to curl this, really taking some time and letting the curl stay. That other side curled way better than this side. It's always like that. One side curls way better than the other side. It's just a little tighter, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm going for a messy look, and I feel like I'm getting used to the color, the highlights, and it's looking very beautiful, especially for the spring and summertime coming up. So like I said before, this hair is going to need some holding spray just to kind of hold the curls in place, lay down those flyaways, and to give it a more like sleek look, because as you know, when you're working with blonde hair, it can look quite frizzy. So the hairspray kind of just smooths everything out and holds everything in place. But it's looking like super cute. I'm loving this messy look. All right, y'all, so I'm about to head out. Let me get dressed. I am back. So this is my final look. I decided to wear this like honey yellow dress. I think it complements the highlights really well. Like I said, after this video, I do have somewhere to go. Let's go ahead and brush these curls out that have been sprayed with the holding spray. Now, I'm not going to show too much of the back because I wasn't able to curl it as much, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll get to that later. Put it on my mannequin head and curl it. Overall, this hair is gorgeous. It's silky smooth. I love it. The only two things is just the ability to hold the curl and the short flyaways at the top. But I give this a solid 9 out of 10 unit. If you're looking for something cute for the spring and summertime, you love these highlighted colors, just a little bit of pop of color, especially in the front, definitely pick this wig up. Spray with the Aussie Mega Hold Spray, and I think I will be good to go. So all in all, I love how affordable this unit is, and it's really hard to find good true HD lace units with good quality hair as well, and I feel like this one hits the mark. So if you're into bobs, if you want to go ahead and get that hair shorter, shoulder length for the spring and summertime, this is definitely a great wig to invest in. It's super cute, super cute. So this wraps up this video. The link will be in the description to this unit. If you enjoyed, like, comment, thumbs up, share, follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Gotta go. Bye.